sweet little friends. It's Lucy here. Today, Lucy is taking you on a super magical adventure through 3 different worlds. First, we will travel back in time to meet big dinosaurs in a mysterious prehistoric land. Next, our group will step into the golden desert with soft sand, warm winds, and strong animals living there. And finally, we will dive down into the deep blue ocean where colorful fish swim happily all around. Each world has fun surprises waiting for us to discover. Are you ready, little explorers? Let's start our adventure with Lucy. Let's go! Lucy starts by spreading red sand evenly on the tray. Lucy gently smooths it with her hand, making the ground look soft and flat. Next, Lucy spreads yellow sand on the side. She smooths it out to create a wide, dry desert. Between the 2 lands, Lucy places a line of colorful pebbles as a border. It looks just like a cute little path. Now, it's time for the coolest part! Lucy spreads blue slime at the front of the tray to make the ocean. She gently waves the surface so it looks like moving seawater. Next, Lucy places a volcano in the left corner. She adds white cotton on top to make volcano smoke puff up. Then, Lucy places black rocks around it, just like ancient rocks from dinosaur times. Lucy puts a light yellow raised land piece into the desert to make sand dunes. Oh, and don't forget the cactus. Look at this! This land looks so wild and mysterious. Lucy keeps adding more dry plants, bushes, and small trees around. Now the desert looks hot but beautiful. Now it's time to make the ocean come alive. Lucy places starfish, shells, corals, and sea plants into the water. Each animal has its own place, making the ocean colorful and fun. Yay! We finished this super amazing model. Now let's explore the animals together with Lucy. Are you curious already? Let's go! Egg-stealing dinosaur. The egg-stealing dinosaur is small and very quick. It likes to sneak around to find other dinosaurs' eggs to eat. Its slim body helps it run fast. Strong legs make it very agile. Sharp eyes help it watch everything around. It lived a very long time ago in prehistoric times. Small but super clever. Concavenator dinosaur. Concavenator has a special small hump on its back. It is a meat-eating dinosaur. Its strong body helps it run fast. Sharp teeth help it hunt food. It lived in hot, dry lands. It moves very quickly. very interesting dinosaur, Pachycephalosaurus dinosaur. This dinosaur has a very hard, round head. It uses its head to bump when playing or competing. Its body is not very big. It eats plants and leaves. It moves quickly and easily. It lives in small groups. It looks so funny, doesn't it? Spinosaurus dinosaur. Spinosaurus is one of the biggest meat-eating dinosaurs. It has a sail-like fin on its back. It likes to live near rivers and lakes. Spinosaurus is a great swimmer. Its long mouth helps it catch fish. It has a very strong body. A truly amazing dinosaur. Dilophosaurus dinosaur. Dilophosaurus has two bright crests on its head. It is a meat-eating dinosaur. Its slim body helps it run fast. It has sharp teeth. It moves very smoothly. It lived long ago in prehistoric times. A very famous dinosaur, the Rhizinosaurus dinosaur. The Rhizinosaurus has very long claws. Even with long claws, it does not eat meat. It eats leaves and branches. Its claws help pull food closer. Its body is big but gentle. It walks slowly. A very special dinosaur. Camel. Camels live in hot deserts. They have humps on their backs to store energy. Camels can go a long time without water. Big feet help them walk on sand. They are strong and patient. They help people carry things. Best friends of the desert? Lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle. It has a big, beautiful mane. Lions live in groups called prides. They can run very fast when hunting. Their roar can be heard far away. They have strong bodies, a brave and powerful animal. Texas Longhorn. Texas Longhorn cattle have very long horns. They live on wide grasslands. They eat grass and are very gentle. Their bodies are big and strong. They usually live in herds. They move slowly. A very special kind of cow. Kangaroos live in Australia. They have very strong back legs. They can jump very high and very far. Mother kangaroos carry babies in a pouch. They eat grass and leaves. They move by hopping. A fun and bouncy animal. Wildebeest. Wildebeests live on wide grasslands. They have strong, heavy bodies. Curved horns help protect them. They travel in big groups. They run fast and have great strength. They mostly eat grass. A very interesting wild animal. Black panther. The black panther has shiny black fur. It runs very fast. It is great at climbing trees. Bright eyes help it see at night. It usually lives alone. It is a skilled hunter, a powerful animal. Hyena. Hyenas make sounds like laughter. They live in groups. Their teeth are very strong. They can run quite fast. They are active at night. They are very smart. A very special animal. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks have very special heads. Their eyes are on both sides of the head. This helps them see all around. They swim very fast. They are meat-eating fish. Their bodies are strong. A great ocean hunter. Pufferfish. Pufferfish can puff up their bodies. When scared, they blow up big. They have sharp spikes. Enemies get scared and swim away. They swim slowly but are smart. They live in the ocean. A great defender fish. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 long arms. They are very smart. They can spray ink to escape danger. They can change color quickly. They live on the ocean floor. They move very smoothly. A master of camouflage. Crabs have 2 strong claws. They walk sideways in a funny way. They live near the beach. They like digging holes in the sand. They eat plants and small animals. They move slowly. A hardworking little friend. Blue tangfish. Blue tangfish have bright, beautiful colors. They have small, sharp spines on their tails. They live near coral reefs. They swim in groups. They eat sea plants. They swim gently. A colorful fish. Barracuda. Barracudas have long bodies. They have very sharp teeth. They swim very fast. They are hunting fish. They live in the ocean. Their bodies are strong. A speedy swimmer. Shrimp. Shrimp have small, curved bodies. They can swim backward very fast. They live in rivers and oceans. They come in many colors. They eat tiny food. They move quickly. A hardworking little creature. Clownfish. Clownfish have bright orange and white colors. They live with sea anemones. Anemones help protect them. Clownfish swim very well. They live in pairs or small groups. They are friendly, stars of the ocean. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have soft, clear bodies. They float with the water. Their tentacles can sting a little. They live in the ocean. They move very gently. They look like tiny umbrellas. A mysterious sea creature. Yay! We explored so many amazing animals together, from prehistoric dinosaurs, hot deserts, to the cool blue ocean. Which animal do you like the most? Don't forget to follow Luxie for more fun adventures. See you next time on our next journey. Bye-bye!